here at FESPA 2017 in one of the most important stands, the Epson stand with Richard Barrow. How are you, Richard? How is everything going?
I'm very well. My throat, as like last year, is going slowly but surely. It's great. The show's been great so far.
And what can you tell us about the key message for Epson this year is no one can match us.
Yes.
So it is a big statement. How are you going to prove to all the printers who are visiting your stand that no one can match you?
Well, what we're doing this year, because we actually don't have any new product launches, we are trying to focus on showing all of the end user applications as much as possible. So between the textile printers and the sign and display printers, we are showing a print speed and a print quality that we think is unrivaled within the industry.
And which are these products? Tell us about the wide portfolio that you are here with different applications and for different markets.
Yeah, sure. We'll start with the F9200, which we have in front of us today. This particular printer is focusing on fashion design and fashion production, and we are working in conjunction with a very up-and-coming designer called Richard Quinn, who we're incredibly proud to be collaborating with at FESPA today. And we're currently producing his designs on the sublimation device at a sublimation production speed. And as you can see behind me, we have all of his final work actually sublimated onto the fabric and finished and on display. Here we obviously have a dress, and I'm no fashion expert, so don't ask me to talk about all of the different apparel items, but we also have all of the items that he's produced for us for the show in the wardrobe here.
Yes, yesterday we had the opportunity to speak with Richard. He was really excited about the opportunity that Epson has given to him, and also he has explained the wide application and materials he was able to use to produce these amazing dresses with this machine that you have explained.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, I think I can safely say that we're probably the only manufacturer currently showing fashion design at FESPA on foil materials. So, as I say, no one can beat us, not just in terms of the printers that we're making, but the way we're displaying the opportunity to the market.
Yeah, this is amazing, literally. If everyone is around, they definitely should. This is a worthy visit because all the different designs that Richard produced are literally fantastic.
Yeah, it's truly innovative work that he's doing. We're very proud to have him in our stable.
And moving on to a different area, what else do you have in terms of product offering here at Epson?
Sure, we have our current lineup of the F2000, which is just over here.
We can see that at the moment it's quite busy. That is good.
Yeah, it's been getting busier and busier with every day that passes. And what we're showing here with the F2000 is the T-shirt, particularly T-shirt printing, but we're showing it in conjunction with the Your Store team. Your Store are making retail solutions, essentially, where end users can go into a retail space, order a T-shirt, customize it, put their name on it, change the imagery on it, order it, and then pick it up in-store on the same day, because the production speeds of the printers allow these T-shirts to be produced within 2 to 4 or 5 minutes.
This is like a really high speed. All is about personalization and customization nowadays.
Absolutely, and also for the retailer, it's about reducing the inventory they're keeping in-house, as well as offering as much variety in store as possible. So it has real potential for that solution.
We see that definitely digital textile is a market that is growing and becoming more important. So here we have another textile future from Epson, right?
Absolutely. Well, what we're doing here at FESPA this year is we're partnering with some very talented young designers from Birmingham University. And what we're trying to do is show their work in a real commercial environment. So we've been very fortunate this year that they've got a particularly high quality stable of students producing excellent work. And we're producing and representing it as much as possible on stand through the textile design for decor and the wall coverings that we've produced with our sign and display printers.
It's great that Epson is encouraging the next generation of textile designers to do new things, to innovate, and also to get inspirational products.
Absolutely. I mean, sublimation technology is nothing new. It's been around as long as inkjet's been around, essentially. But still today, I don't think people understand what the true potential of sublimation is. So that's one of the key focuses that we have on stand today. to enable the designers to understand what the potential is, as well as some of the more seasoned print producers to see what they can do with 3D sublimation and hard substrates.
And Richard, I heard that there's an stance highlight, and I think it's around that area where many people are actually gathering. So can you tell us and guide us through that new machine?
Of course, we'll walk over to the front of our stand. Essentially, FESPA being FESPA, the star of the show always is our sign and display printers. So this year we're showing the Short Color S series again. We're showing both the 10-color model and we're showing our 4-color production model. And they're proving, as usual, to be very popular. In fact, our 10-color device, the 8600, has actually proven to be our most popular product, which is very unusual because you'd always expect our budget printer to be the most popular. In fact, the industry seems to be gravitating towards quality at high speeds, which is perfect for Epson because that's just the recipe that we work to as well.
Which is your target audience for this machine?
Oh, this is sign makers fundamentally, but actually the breadth of applications that this printer can achieve is pulling users from all over the industry, from commercial print sectors and more traditional analog sectors as well.
Richard, you have told us about signage, about sublimation, about the different wide format application that you are showcasing here. But what will be the next? What will be the next development for the company and how you are going to continue expanding your portfolio?
Well, one of the benefits of working for Epson and having Epson as a technology company is that we own all of our own technology. We own all our ink developments, our print heads, and all of the hardware designs is all done in-house. So what we'll be doing in the future is looking at where the best opportunities are with various combinations of ink technologies and printhead technologies to make sure that we can bring quality products to the market where we see an opportunity to.
Well, we are looking forward to seeing these new innovations and technologies in the next FESPA 2018 in Berlin. But can you finish this interview with this amazing machine behind us by telling us why you are here, why FESPA is an important event to Epson?
Well, FESPA is a key show for Epson, especially for the production printing sector. There's no other show that has this balance of customer and the demographic that this show brings, and it's truly a European show as well. We very rarely get the opportunity to have these kind of conversations with the very specific customer base that we have for sign and display.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and I really wish you a great show, as always.
Thank you very much, thank you.